Two Hamilton County parents accused of killing their adopted son in 2016 were in the courtroom for the first time today. WCPO 9 News reporter Valerie Lyons is joining us now live. Valerie, prosecutors say the boy was also abused.
Yeah, Tanya, investigators say he and his 4 other adopted siblings were all malnourished. The prosecutor telling the judge today the children were, quote, skin and bones, and that little 8-year-old Adam weighed half of what he should have at the time of his death, just 36 pounds.
No one has doubted that this child was murdered.
6 years after the death of an 8-year-old boy, his parents stand accused of his murder. The mother, Catherine Snyder, appearing virtually Thursday. Court documents show in 2016, she and her husband John didn't feed their son Adam for more than a month-long period. He was pronounced dead at the hospital, the coroner ruling homicide by blunt force trauma.
Because the hematoma was on the backside of his skull, there was no way he would have had the strength to have done that to himself.
After Adam's death, the Snyders' other children were put into the care of their aunt.
All of the children are doing excellent. They almost immediately began turning around as far as health concerns.
The courts will decide whether the Snyders' children were abused, but for those who are, it's a trauma difficult to overcome.
They're stuck in the past, and as a result of that, they can't experience the present, they can't experience the future. And to a great extent, they continue to relive in a very painful, cyclic way the pain of being abused.
Dr. Stuart Bassman has worked with thousands of clients in his nearly 40-year career as a psychologist. He says children subjected to physical, emotional, or sexual abuse are conditioned to feel as if they deserve what happens.
The cornerstone of being a victim is they blame themselves.
Last year, Hamilton County worked nearly 8,000 child abuse and neglect cases. More than 2,600 children were placed in Child Protective Services. Bassman says it's vital for victims to be heard and believed, because sometimes, if left in abusive situations for too long,
hurt people. That's why it's so important that we cast a spotlight on abuse to stop this vicious cycle for going on for generations.
Now, the Snyders' adopted children were all from China. Prosecutors say at that time they were very young and knew little English. Now, over the past years, they've been able to mature and learn to be able to testify and handle a trial. That's why prosecutors say the couple was just indicted last month. Now, John Snyder is facing 11 charges for murder, assault, and child endangerment. Catherine faces the same, plus 3 additional endangerment charges. Reporting live outside the Hamilton County Courthouse, Valerie Lyons, WCPO 9 News.